Welcome back to the channel, guys. My name is Mikey, and in this video I asked some of my local friends that live in Manila, Philippines about their best advice that they would give to someone visiting Philippines for the first time. Let's see what they had to say.
Okay, John.
So it's
So
topic.
my question for you is, since you're a Filipino,
A local here.
local, you grew up here in Manila.
Uh-huh.
What's your advice for foreigners visiting Manila for the first time?
Would it be like three pointers for that one?
Yeah,
Or
maybe three
All right.
advice.
First advice here in Manila, not everything is for free. It's like not in the province of some sort, but here in Manila per se. My advice for you guys is that not everything here is for free. Sometimes someone would help you here. Actually, you've heard that Filipinos are very hospitable in a sense, but not all the time. It's because of it's money. Not everything is for free. In a way that someone would like offer to carry your bag of some sort, but they would always do this. What's this one? It's like you're asking for alms in exchange for that good deed. Actually, that would be the main difference if you went here in Manila versus you went into the province area. It's because there's this so-called bayanihan. Actually, I think chivalry is a bit dead here in Manila. So, in a way, you just expect that, and you should be careful. You guys should be careful of swindlers or quote unquote, it's a budol here. They would like uh, give you advice, those flowery advice that you wanted to hear. It's like music to your ears, but in a way, they're like would get into your pocket of some sort. But that's just the negative aspect here in Manila. But overall, Filipinos are very much hospitable here. If ever you're, just expect you'd have to give like a 20 or 50. Not hating, okay? Right. So, like if they're carrying your bag of some sort, just give them like, oh, here's a tip for your good deed. Just it's a way to encourage them, but not really the monetary matters. And so that's the first one. And the second advice would be just go with the flow here. However, you'd have to like you'd have to stay alert. It's because in the first advice I told you that there are these swindlers, but still I told you in the first advice chivalry might be dead, but not really. As for me, I'm a local here. I entertain people. Not really an entertain like Japan entertainer of some sort, but I entertain. I'm very charismatic in talking to people, and I believe that there's a sort of you should always give people the benefit of the doubt that there's always someone here would want to help for free. As for me, for example, here, if you can hear the my background here is my friends are from the province. I advised them of, or I befriended them so that they would not be quote unquote boodled or get swindled here in Manila. And look at them now. They're working like the one here is an NFlex passer. The one here is like Shela, the very the jowa of my question here is now a manager. So look at what they've become. So just be alert here in Manila, but don't eliminate or or what's this? Remove from your thoughts that there's always this persons in Manila, or it's like a 2 out of 10 persons here in Manila that they're still valuing the courtesy of being hospitable. So I think it be two right now. So that's just it for me right now.
Visiting Manila for the first time.
I have two words that comes to my mind. First is enjoy. Second is explore. I know that every places there are like a lot of cons and pros as well. Here in Manila, there are a lot of things to do. They must discover it, and then actually it's so hard, but they yes they have to explore Manila, and there are a lot of beautiful resources. Actually, Philippines is rich. We have like 100 one, if I'm not mistaken, like 1,107 beautiful isles, christened as the Pearl of the Orient Seas. So we have to explore not just only Manila. We have Mindanao. That's gonna be the southern part of the Philippines. There are a lot of beautiful resources in Mindanao. Like from my hometown, our city is known as the city of waterfalls. We have Maria Cristina Falls. We have Tinago Falls, and people do not know about that places because they think that Mindanao is not a safe place, right? So they have to discover that one, and actually Philippines is a very safe place. The city they only know is Manila, but they don't know about Mindanao. We have Siargao. They only know about Boracay, Palawan, but they don't know about the beautiful resources in Mindanao. As I've mentioned a while ago, from my hometown, we have like Camigan Island. That's gonna be one of the best island, I can say. It's more beautiful compared to other beaches here in the Philippines. Yeah, they have to visit that one, and it's very cheap place. And they actually Filipinos are very hospitable actually. We are very friendly. So yeah, explore and enjoy. That's it.
Thank
Well, for me, one piece of advice is that you should know about the culture of the Filipino, because me myself, if I go to other country, I do research of the culture of the people living in that country. So for me, that's the culture, because Filipinos here in the Philippines are very conservative, very respectful. So you should be respectful also for our culture and values that we have here in the Philippines. Thank you.
Hi guys! Again, Mary Joyce De Leon with Sir Mike Vlogs. Ayan. So, Sir Mike asking what will advise to the foreigners planning to visit here in Philippines. So, if you are planning to go here in Philippines or travel, you should have a travel checklist first, because it will easy to you to track and manage your time and visit the famous places here in the Philippines. And also, always check the weather. Yan. Because if rainy season and if you are planning to go beaches, it will hard to you to go the beaches, right? Kasi it's raining. So, I suggest you to visit here in Philippines summer season. Ayun. Thank you, guys!
Hey guys, so another piece of advice if you plan to visit the Philippines is to understand that there are seasons here. So typically during the summer, between May, June, and July, it is rainy season and usually typhoon season. So keep that in mind. If you plan to visit during the summer, there's gonna be a lot of rain. It could be flooding here, especially if you go to Boracay or El Nido, you know, those travel destinations. It can be very windy and cloudy, so it may not be the best time to visit. Also, the weather here is generally pretty hot. So again, this is a tropical island consisting of over 1,000 islands. So usually it's pretty humid here, and usually they average around 30 to 35 degrees Celsius. So that's like around 80 to like 90 degrees Fahrenheit. So keep that in mind if you are coming from like United States or Canada. People here wear light clothing, and typically you're gonna sweat if you're not used to the weather. So it does take some time to acclimatize to the weather here because it is hot. So wear light clothing. Most people here, especially in the province, just wear chinelas or slippers or sandals because it is that hot. Well, that's the end of the video. Again, thank you guys so much for watching. Remember, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, hit that like button, then comment down below what you guys want to see next. I'm super interested in what you guys really want to see out of the Philippines. And until next time, see you guys again.